Here's how to find and fix silence in your narration. When you record narration, the app will automatically detect periods of silence in the narration. It will be highlighted on the timeline, and this exclamation point icon will appear next to the narration heading on the right. Clicking on the icon will show a menu of the total number of detected sections of silence. You can adjust the minimum duration of silence you want to detect by clicking this dropdown. For example, if you would like to only see silence that is over 3 seconds long, then you can drag the slider or click and type the number 3. If you would rather not see the sections of silence on the timeline, you can uncheck the Show Silence option. You can also choose to speed up all sections of silence or cut it out entirely. You can also individually edit each section of silence. Go to the section of silence on the timeline you wish to edit. Click on this icon to pull options to either speed up the silence, cut the silence, or absorb the silence, which is an operation that will apply a speed up to the underlying video, so it runs slightly fast and the silence is no longer needed. This feature is only useful if you are not recording a webcam, since it will make the webcam video out of sync with the audio, but with screen video, it can be very useful. Visit our website for more tutorials. Create, share, and experience video with ScreenPal.